What is a micrometer? It is a precision measuring instrument used for obtaining accurate linear measurements of small distances, thicknesses, or diameters. Principle: it operates on the fundamental principle of a screw and nut. The rotational movement of an accurately machined screw is converted into a precise linear movement. The distance the spindle moves forward in one complete revolution is equal to the pitch of the screw. By adding a calibrated scale to the circumference of the thimble, small linear movements can be measured with high accuracy. Detailed parts of an outside micrometer. An outside micrometer is the most common type, used for measuring external dimensions. Its parts are: 1. Frame. The U-shaped body of the micrometer. It is heavy and rigid to prevent bending and ensure accuracy. Often made of forged steel or cast iron. 2. Anvil. The fixed measuring face attached to the frame. The workpiece is placed between the anvil and the spindle. 3. Spindle. The moving measuring face. It is a precision ground cylinder that moves in and out when the thimble is rotated. 4. Lock nut, lock ring. A lever or nut that clamps the spindle in place to hold a measurement without it changing. 5. Barrel or main scale. The stationary cylindrical part with the main linear scale, graduated in mm and 0.5 mm. 6. Thimble. The rotating cylindrical part that fits over the barrel. 7. Thimble scale. It has a circumferential scale divided into 50 or 100 equal parts. 8. Ratchet stop. A spring-loaded device at the end of the thimble. It ensures a consistent and measurable measuring pressure is applied, preventing over-tightening and user error. Types of micrometers. Micrometers are specialized for different measurement tasks. Number 1. Outside micrometer. It measures external dimensions, example, shaft diameter, thickness. It has the classic U-shaped frame. 2. Inside micrometer. It measures internal dimensions, example, bore diameter, slot width. It has elongated jaws or a rod with a measuring head on the end. 3. Depth micrometer. It measures the depth of holes, slots, and steps. It uses a base that rests on the surface and a slender rod that extends into the depth. 4. Tube micrometer. It measures the wall thickness of tubes and pipes. It has a spherical anvil that contacts the curved inner surface of the tube. 5. V-anvil micrometer. It is a specialized precision measuring instrument designed specifically to measure the odd flutes of cutting tools, most commonly 3-flute end mills and taps. In summary, a V-anvil micrometer is a specialized, purpose-built tool for quality control, tool and die work, and machinists who need to verify the size and wear of their odd-fluted cutting tools. 6. Blade micrometer. It is a precision instrument designed to measure in tight confined spaces where the anvils of a standard micrometer are too wide to fit. Its defining feature is the replacement of the traditional flat anvil and spindle with thin blade-like tips. The primary advantage is that these narrow blades can slip into grooves, keyways, and other narrow spaces that are impossible to measure with the broad faces of a standard micrometer. 7. Disc micrometer. It also known as a blade micrometer or flange micrometer. It is a precision measuring instrument characterized by its large, disc-shaped anvil and spindle. Unlike the thin blades of a blade micrometer, these discs are relatively large in diameter but very thin. This unique design allows them to measure from a specific datum face, making them ideal for features like the roots of threads, gear teeth, and other hard-to-reach surfaces. Common applications. Machining and manufacturing, checking the diameter of turned parts, thickness of milled components. Engineering and quality control, verifying that parts meet design specifications and tolerances. Scientific research, measuring small specimens, material thickness, wire diameter. Automotive, measuring piston diameter, brake disc thickness, valve stems. Metrology labs, used as a reference standard for calibrating other tools. The micrometer remains a fundamental tool in any field where precision is paramount, bridging the gap between traditional craftsmanship and modern manufacturing.